Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we are diving straight into a totally fascinating technical review of recipe reliability. We're asking a pretty massive question. Can an AI, something that just outputs lines of text, actually replace the deep, multisensory intuition of a professional chef? We're going to break down a rigorous head-to-head battle that puts the sheer culinary logic of man right up against the machine.
Okay, so here's our roadmap for this test. 1. The setup. 2. Burgers, looking at algorithms versus intuition. 3. Chicken, and the technique gap. 4. Cookies, focusing on chemistry and consistency. And finally, number 5, the final verdict.
Let's kick things off with Section 1, the setup. To start, we really need to establish our baseline. What we're looking at is the tactile, multisensory art form developed over an entire lifetime of repetition, going head-to-head with a machine that processes data at literally lightning speed. I mean, the human chef is relying on years of physical dedication. Smell, touch, sight, taste, the whole shebang. The AI, on the other hand, it generated its ultimate recipes in under 10 seconds. 10 seconds! But as we'll quickly see, raw speed doesn't always translate to accuracy or consistency when you're dealing with the incredibly complex chemistry of cooking.
Moving on to Section 2, burgers, algorithms versus intuition.
If you want to build a truly reliable burger, the bun is your absolute foundation. And notice this incredibly specific measurement, 80 to 90 grams. That is exactly how the human chef meticulously sizes out the bun dough. It ensures a highly consistent, manageable size for both baking and eating. The AI algorithm, however, completely lacks physical spatial awareness. It strictly commanded that the dough be split evenly into just 4 parts. And the result? These comedically massive, totally disproportionate buns that completely wrecked the ratio of bread to meat. It's just a prime example of an algorithm completely failing to understand physical scale.
And that brings us to a crucial point. How AI fundamentally fails to build a cohesive flavor profile. The contrast in condiments here is pretty staggering. The human chef intuitively builds a dedicated burger sauce, right? Emulsifying mayo, ketchup, mustard, garlic, charred onion, and Worcestershire to create this deeply unified flavor vehicle. The AI? Well, it just instructed the cook to slap separate dollops of mayo, mustard, and ketchup directly onto an untoasted bun. There's zero integration of ingredients and no toasting to protect that bread from getting soggy. It's purely functional, but with absolutely no intuitive understanding of how flavors actually marry together.
And honestly, the fallout from this structural failure was immediate. When these burgers went to our blind taste testing panel, one judge perfectly captured the issue, saying, there was not a single flavor other than like a tinge of ketchup. There was no salt. Think about that. The AI completely skipped over basic seasoning at the most critical steps. Sure, it generated the physical shape of a burger, but it completely missed the culinary depth you actually need to make something taste good.
All right, Section 3, chicken, and the technique gap.
Now this is where it gets super interesting. Look at the nuanced tactile approach the chef takes just to create texture. To get that perfect fried chicken crunch, the human chef deliberately flicks wet marinade into the dry flour to create these little clumps before they even dredge the meat. It's a specific physical technique that creates those coveted crispy ridges. The AI, though, issues a completely literal bare-bones instruction. It just says, dredge and shake excess. It completely whiffs on those micro techniques that take a recipe from just standard to truly reliable and exceptional.
We also see a massive flaw in how the AI understands heat application. The AI instructed the chef to put all the spices, we're talking paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, directly into the dry flour dredge. Now, in a 350-degree fryer, those exposed dry spices are going to instantly burn and turn bitter. The human chef, who actually understands basic thermodynamics, put all those spices safely inside the wet buttermilk marinade. This protects them from the harsh, direct heat of the frying oil while still deeply flavoring the meat.
And that technique gap led to a stark physical reality in the kitchen. While they were frying, the chef looked over at the 2 stations and nailed it, saying, "Mine smells like oil, yours smells like flavor." Because the AI's spices were literally burning up in the hot oil, the entire aromatic profile of the dish was ruined. So the AI had the right ingredients on paper, for sure, but absolutely zero physical logic on how to actually execute them. Moving to Section 4, cookies, focusing on chemistry and consistency.
The structural differences in this round are glaring because baking is an exact science. The AI generated a recipe that relied on a surprisingly high flour ratio, and it instructed the dough to be mixed rapidly with essentially robot hands. completely skipping any crucial resting periods. The human approach, however, is deeply rooted in chemistry. It requires properly creaming and emulsifying the butter and sugar, and critically, chilling that dough overnight so the flour can fully hydrate and the flavors can actually develop.
Now, interestingly enough, human error actually crept into the chef's process here. An assistant accidentally used salted butter instead of unsalted, which put the human chef at a pretty serious disadvantage. And yet, the AI's chemically imbalanced high-flour dough resulted in this bizarrely soft texture anyway. As one judge described the AI cookie, "It kind of feels like I'm chewing through a cloud." It totally lacked that essential crusty edge and chewy center that defines a truly reliable classic chocolate chip cookie.
Finally, Section 5, the final verdict. Let's bring all this together and look at our conclusion. On a strict sudden death scorecard, the human chef swept all 3 rounds. Burgers, chicken, and cookies, a clean sweep. But, the data tells a slightly deeper story here. The sheer speed of the AI generating these complex blueprints in seconds is staggering. And during that final cookie vote, despite the AI's pretty obvious structural flaws, the judges actually hesitated. The machine's instructions are getting eerily, almost uncomfortably close to passing as human.
So, to summarize what you should really take away from this explainer, AI can effortlessly generate the text blueprint of a recipe in mere seconds. However, right now, its current iteration completely fails a technical review of recipe reliability. Why? Because it lacks seasoning logic, like knowing how to protect spices from burning. It struggles wildly with spatial proportion and sizing. Remember those massive burger buns? And most importantly, it omits the essential tactile techniques, like clumping flour or proper emulsification, which are the very things that separate a basic list of ingredients from a professionally executed dish.
Which leaves us with a pretty provocative thought to end on today. Humanity absolutely swept the board today, relying on deep physical intuition and sensory feedback. But with the algorithm learning and adapting from every single prompt it receives, constantly correcting its ratios and refining its text, how long until the machine effectively masters the actual physical art of flavor? It is a fascinating evolution to watch. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I can't wait to dive into our next topic together. Catch you next time.